In this video, I'm going to show you how you can archive projects in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I'd like to go ahead and archive a project that is under a space, and this is project 1 here. To archive it, just hover over the project that you want to archive and then click on it, and then head over to this archive. Now, if you click on this, now you can see our project 1 has been archived. However, if you can still see your archived project here, it means that you enabled show archived under your space. To disable it, go ahead under space here and then click on these ellipses and toggle off show archived. Now, if you toggle that off, you can see, if I go back to this, now you can see project 1 is no longer on the list or is no longer shown. So that's how you can archive a project in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.